Hello guys, I've got to check the battery on this forklift. The battery looks flat, so I have to diagnose it and replace the battery. So let's do the job. So it won't start, the battery is flat. So let's just pull this lever and look, the battery is just there. Let's test it. So I just put the probes, the leads on my from the tester on the positive, on the negative, and the voltage is reading 12.41. And when I turn the key on, it will go to 11, then will go down. So the battery is faulty. Let's replace it. So the battery has almost 12 volts. Let's turn the key, see what it's doing when turning on the key. So now the battery is 13 volt, which means that the alternator is charging the battery. So as you can see, the battery is installed and the truck is up and running. One more try. Yes! I like the sound of this truck. Alright, take care, bye bye now. Hello guys, so if you like my video, please click the like button, and if you have some comments, please write them down in the comment section.